So this problem says solve for x. What we want to do when we're trying to solve for x is to get the x by itself on one side of the equal sign. So since our x is under a square root, let's get the term that's not under the square root onto the other side. We can move the plus 3 because subtracting 3 would turn that into 0. We can subtract 3 on both sides to cancel out the plus 3 and leave us just with the square root of x plus 3 is equal to 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay, so from here, now that we have isolated or gotten the square root by itself on one side of the equal sign, we can square both sides because the square cancels out the square root. That leaves us with x plus 3 on the left side, and 4 squared is 16. The last step is to move this plus 3 over to the other side to get the x by itself. And similar to the first step, we can subtract 3 now that it's outside of the radical, or now that it's not under the radical, we can just subtract it to leave x by itself, since plus 3 minus 3 goes to 0. And 16 minus 3 is 13. It is typically a good idea to verify whenever you're dealing with a square root in an equation. You want to verify that that solution works at the end. So what we can do is we can plug in this 13 to the original problem. So we'll plug it in for x. So we'll plug in 13 for x, that'll make 13 plus 3, and then plus another 3 is equal to 7. We want to verify that this is true. So 13 plus 3 is 16. That makes the square root of 16 plus 3 is equal to 7. The square root of 16 is 4. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 4 plus 3 is in fact 7. So 7 equals 7, and we have confirmed our answer. So there we go. I hope this video step-by-step solution was helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comments. Or if you have another homework question that you'd like to see worked out, you can also leave that in the comments, and I will get to it as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.